Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 26, 2020. Today's video is about Jérusalem. Jérusalem is a grand opera in 4 acts by Giuseppe Verdi, first performed at the Salle Le Peletier in Paris on November 26, 1847. The libretto was a partial translation of the composer's 1843 Italian opera, I Lombardi alla prima crociata, adapted for performance in France. This caricature shows Adolphe-Joseph-Louis Alizard as Roger in the premiere of Jérusalem. Gilbert Duprez played the role of Gaston. Roger is jealous of Gaston and organizes his murder. The wrong man is attacked because he has given away his white cloak. Gaston is exiled as the alleged perpetrator, and all depart to fight in the First Crusade to liberate Jerusalem. See also, a lithograph of Duprez as Gaston. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.